getting downright scary. Is this dangerous, are you asking? Yeah. You're never supposed to stand under a tree when there's a lot of lightning. A lot of trees. A lot of lightning. And a lot of thunder. And rain. Now, isn't this fun? Oh, and mud. Ooh, slippery mud. Oh, my shoes are just getting all muddy. I'll let you know if I made it out alive. Maybe.